How you doing, everyone? It's an absolute gorgeous day. Hello everyone, I absolutely gutted today. I messed up on the AstroTurf order. I was meant to be a 4 metre width by 5 metres length, and it came the other way around, which is a bit frustrating, but hopefully tomorrow we'll have a bit of spare time to potentially get the AstroTurf down. How you doing, everyone? We are ready for AstroTurf. That should be delivered tomorrow, so hopefully at some point this week we can get that down, which would be pretty much amazing. And so the waterfall's starting to look pretty damn cool now as well. Put all the top beads on there as well, finished all that. I have put the rope on this section as well with a bit of bamboo on there. I have put a little LED light there just to illuminate the play area on a night, because it does look pretty damn cool, to be honest. I say we're definitely making progress, and I physically cannot wait to get this AstroTurf down, because the garden will absolutely pop. All the colours will start to tie in and everything else will start to look absolutely gorgeous. So like I said, we're definitely making progress now. I'm going to change that light from there to there, just because at the start I never thought I'd be having a playhouse, to be truthful. So that light at the minute is kind of pointless. So that's going to be changed from there to there tomorrow, and then we'll put an outdoor spur there, just obviously we can do the connection, and then the kids have a light on their playhouse as well, which to be fair I think it'll make a really good detail. And once all that's had a palm thatch roof on it, I think that'll look pretty damn cool, to be honest. But to be honest, we're definitely making progress. Ignore the top. To be truthful, I just needed to obviously breathe a little bit more freely. Bloody hell, I look red. But thanks again, and I'll see you tomorrow.